Hi, this is Sho.
And this is Linnea. Welcome back to our channel. On this channel, we're teaching easy English phrases for you to learn, so if you're interested in that, make sure to keep watching.
Okay, so
What is today's phrase?
today's phrase is this one.
It is, sorry I'm late. The train didn't come on time. So what is that in Japanese?
ごめんなさい、遅れて電車が遅れました。
Yeah, so this is what you would say if you're trying to go meet someone and you're late for the meeting, and you would just say, sorry, I'm late. And if you have some kind of reason behind it, you could say something like the train didn't come on time or something like that.
Yep.
Yep.
Yep. And the time-wise, Japan and America are totally different.
Yeah.
Yes. Sometimes I meet my friend in here, America, and 2 hours.
2 hours?
Yeah.
Oh, 2 hours they're late?
Yes. Late. And he come and very smiley. Hi. Just normal. Okay. Hi.
Yeah, that happens to me all the time too.
Right?
Yeah. Definitely. I'm like we're having a meeting with our friends, like a party or something, and some of them don't come until like 2 or 3 hours later.
Right?
Yeah, it's very common.
Yeah, they don't care actually.
Yeah.
I mean, smiley, hi.
Yeah, exactly.
That's American, huh?
Yeah, definitely.
Yes.
Some people are very punctual. Like some people will come right on time, but some people will be like very late. It's ridiculous.
Okay, it depends. Huh?
Yeah, it depends on the person, honestly. Yeah.
But sometimes I feel like if, okay, for example, 8 p.m. we're gonna meet. Almost the situation, he invited me, so I go to his house. In Japan, actually very common 10 minutes, 15 minutes earlier to get there. Yes?
Sure,
but
yeah.
Here, if I go 10 minutes earlier than the time was set, actually kind of rude, I feel like it.
If you come 10 minutes early?
Yeah.
Maybe. I mean, it depends. Maybe some people will feel like you're rushing them or something. But if I'm going to something important, like, I don't know, a meeting or something, if I had to, I'd probably try to arrive like 10 minutes early though.
Okay.
Yeah, if it's like work related, maybe.
Business different though. If it's a business definitely 10 minutes earlier be good.
Yeah, if you come to a meeting 2 hours late, they're not gonna accept that. They'll be pissed,
Yeah, no
Don't do
business
that.
at all.
Yeah, you're gonna get fired.
But I mean,
With friends it's different.
A party.
Yeah.
For example, I organize a party and it's 8 p.m. and very busy, to prepare everything. And if people a little bit early, I feel like, oh, too early.
Yeah, definitely. I understand that.
Half an hour later, everything prepared. Okay, I relax.
No, that's true. If it's something like a party or something where you have to like do a lot of work beforehand, I hate if people come early because it's like I have to like still prepare everything and like get everything ready. And if people come like 30 minutes early, I'm just like, I'm still getting ready. Like I don't have time to entertain you yet, unless they like want to come help or something. I don't know.
Okay.
But
so business-wise, maybe same. Even Japan and United States, maybe you should go earlier, maybe 10 minutes.
Yeah.
But if it's a party, different. Even a party, this stuff in Japan, everyone come to early. But if maybe United States, if go to some party, maybe a little bit late, no problem, or maybe preferable.
Oh yeah, that's no problem usually.
Yep.
Yeah, no problem at all.
Totally different.
Yeah.
I remember all the time my American friend coming 1 hour, 2 hours late. So I get used to it. So one time I met a Japanese guy. I was late 15 minutes. Actually, when he was drunk, little by little, and he started complaining, you came late. You came late. 15 minutes. You're always like that.
You're always like that.
A little bit surprised. Oh, okay. I mean, I knew that, but it's been a long time to hang out with Japanese guys, so I'm a little bit surprised. And reminds me, okay, of course, Japanese culture is different.
Right. You know, actually, if I'm going to a party or something here, I almost kind of on purpose arrive 1 hour late at least And the reason for that is because I don't want to be the first one there.
Oh,
Because it's really awkward when like someone who's organizing the party, you're the first one to arrive and you have to like entertain each other. Whereas if you like arrive 1 hour later, there's already a bunch of people there, then you don't have to worry about that. You can just kind of mingle with whoever you want to. So I actually really hate arriving on time to parties because I don't want to deal with that situation. It feels very like socially awkward, you know?
I feel like that too.
Yeah,
sometimes party 100 people, sometimes end up like 2-3 people. Have no idea.
Exactly.
Sometimes, okay, how many people expecting? Maybe 20, and I go there, and 2 hours, just 3 people.
Exactly.
Happen. So if you go too early, kind of awkward.
Yeah, definitely.
So maybe a little bit late would be a good idea.
Yeah, especially I'm very socially awkward, so that kind of situation is my worst nightmare. I hate it.
And I've been in Spain too. Spain is slow. Maybe nowadays much better, but I've been like 10 years ago Spain, like 15 years ago. Even train station, they don't have even a clock. Yes, even train doesn't come in time.
New York City used to be like that too.
I
mean the trains still never come on time, but you know. It used to be
it's better. Even I can see the timetable.
But I mean, they used to not have the clocks, and then sometimes you don't know, like, oh, is my train gonna come in like 2 minutes or 20 minutes? Because sometimes they come very late. Even Spain, everyone sleep. You know, after eat a lot of meal and siesta, just to sleep overnight. And sometimes shop closing all the day after lunch. They don't never open. I like it. It's very relaxed, huh?
Very good. The Japanese hopefully should be like that soon.
I'm very impressed by like Japanese train systems and like how the whole thing functions though, because I'm amazed how punctual everything is. I mean, you know, both of those ways, maybe there's good and bad points to them. Like I feel like if you're in Spain or something and it's like, oh, this shop's closed but I want it to go, like it's not very reliable even though everything's more relaxed. But then in Japan, like everything's like super reliable because like you know exactly the times and everything has to be very exact. But at the same time that can be kind of stressful too, obviously. So maybe there's like good and bad points to both, I guess. A little bit of relax would be great. Okay, so we're gonna review this phrase. Okay, so I'm gonna say it slowly first and we'll get a little bit faster each time we go along. Sorry, I'm late. The train didn't come on time. Okay, so a little bit faster now. Sorry, I'm late. The train didn't come on time. Alright, and one more time at normal speed. Sorry, I'm late. The train didn't come on time. And that's it. How'd you do? Did you do okay?
And by the way, what is this?
Those are my cat earphones. Do you like them? They actually light up, but I have to like turn it on.
You can try that.
You can see a little bit on camera, but it's a little bit, it's a lot more flashy in real life.
Beautiful.
Okay, so thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to leave us a like. And if you have any suggestions for one of our next videos, feel free to leave in the comments below. And if you're interested in seeing more English learning videos like this one, feel free to subscribe to our channel.
質問等ありましたらコメント連絡してください。お答えします。それとチャンネル登録もよろしくお願いします。
Thank you. See you next time.
Okay, thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.